Hey guys, so I am so happy. I made some Pokemon, I made so much videos, and right now I'm going to do a slime video. So I'm going to show you guys how to make slime with only shampoo and body wash and some toothpaste at the end. And then all you'll need to mix it with and use it with is a bowl and then something to mix it with. So I'm just using this. Anyway, so first you're going to dump in your shampoo first. So just dump in some like that. Oh my god, I almost tipped over all the. And then your body wash. I'm using this one because it's just like the slimy kind. See, it's like slimy kind. Only add a little bit of that and like almost a lot of shampoo. And then you're going to mix that together. And it'll make like a greenish type-ish, but at first it'll make yellow. Just keep on mixing. I actually mixed it for a long time, but right now, since I actually put a little bit, because last time I put a lot, so I had to mix a lot. But since I put a little bit, we won't even need to mix a lot for a long time. So it should be looking like this, like once you pick it up, like that. If it's like that, then keep on mixing. Down there like that, so you can see much better. I'm going to just mix it. Just gonna do that, and this is what it should be looking like, just like that. Then we're just going to add a little bit of toothpaste, only a little bit.
Hi.
Hi.
Can I mix while you're doing the ingredients after?
No, it's only me because this is very hard. It's really hard to mix. You have to mix really hard. Yeah, guys, I'm serious. You have to mix really hard so it can stick together and push really hard on the stuff. So only add like 2 drops of the toothpaste, and you're just going to mix it together, and that should make like a yellowish greenish type, but it should be turning into like a little blue like this. So your guys' is it, and just a big circle of blue toothpaste, and just keep on mixing it. It should be like that. And then after, you're going to add some conditioner. Please. That's fine. I'll clean it up. Only add 1 drip of conditioner like that. Only a little bit though. Only a little bit, I say. And then you're just gonna mix it together. And now our slime is a little sticky.
Did you use this already?
Yeah, I used all of it already. All you have to do is just keep on mixing it. Just like that.
Until it turns like icky.
Huh?
Liquidy.
Yeah, like it's going to be like a liquid slime. Like if you pick it up, it'd be like so icky. Me and my sister already did that, and I showed her, and then we were playing with it, and then I dumped it out so I could make a new one and make a video to it, which is now. So yeah, I'm just going to get it until it circles around my little pencil, and like that. See, like this. Yeah. Yeah. It's going to mix it. Just keep on mixing it for a short time now. Starting now, just mix it for a short time. And then add a little bit of little bit of body wash to it. I prefer the slime kind of, but if you're using a different one already, then that is really fine. But after you add your body wash, it should be turning a little tiny green type of color, but then it should be turning back to like a little tiny bluish, like this kind of color, if you know what I mean. Sorry, the lighting is very bad. I'm not doing it on my window, on my bay window. I'm doing it on the ground where there's more Wi-Fi, because I'm on YouTube making this. So yeah, and then after, just circle it around like you're making a little cookie kind of shape. And then start mixing it like that. It should
It's very hard to
be turning it into like that. Yeah, you have to mix it very hard. This.
I'm gonna feel it.
Hang on, it's not ready yet. Then do like a little pattern like this. Okay, so keep on mixing.
Until
And if that's not working, because we should have been done by now, so then just add a little toothpaste. As much as you want, but make sure it doesn't take up, make sure it's not like a huge bunch, make sure it's just like a little bit of that. Or you can have a little bit of that. I use that much. And you're just going to mix it to make everything. And now everything is sticking together. Now it's turning like blue again. Now I'm just going to mix it softly. And if it's like this kind of type, then you're done. That's how it's supposed to be. So we're done, Sophia. This is how it's supposed to be, kind of slime.
Ah, that's a real slime. It's a green slime.
Kind of bluish. Okay, Sophia, put your hand in it and do that, like we did last time. And that is how it's supposed to be, guys. Then you just open your hand, and then, yeah. That's how it is. And if you mixed it with the thing that you're using and still holding it, show your flat hand. Then just take it off their hand, and then they have to go wash their hands. So it's not kind of type of slime like the sticky or the non-sticky slime. But this one you have to wash your hands, and very hard to make. Okay, take it off your hand and go wash your hands, because I have to finish the rest of the video. Okay. That's okay. So yeah, and if you want, you can add